How to remove friends on Monopoly Go. So first, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application, and you have to make sure that this one is the latest version of Monopoly Go. So we have here choices below. All you have to do is to go to friends, and under friends and family, we have here add friends, timeline, letterboard. Okay, so what you're going to do is just simply go to letterboard, and under letterboard, we have your global, locals, and friends. So what you're going to do is just simply tap friends. And then here you have to choose that friend that you want to remove. For example, this one. And they will ask you, are you sure? Do you want to remove this person as a friend? And all you have to do is just simply click remove, as easy as that. So you can do this to all your friends here in Monopoly Go. But as you can see, if you go to global and locals, you cannot delete or you cannot remove anyone there. So you can only remove your friends or your family. Okay, so again, you just have to select the friend, the user, or the family member here, and then click remove, and then after they will ask you again, you have to confirm by clicking remove. And that's how easy it is to remove friends on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next videos.